On our way to the dark cave, we stopped at the top open cave where the second water station was located. I was able to try a sour sugar cane. Yes, sour ones. I thought all sugar canes are sweet. It was interesting.
They didn't have hospitals, okay? They would use their own natural remedies, okay? Even for a snake bite, these guys would actually get to certain plants, okay?
Paper cup over there.
In the ceiling, you can see a lot of the stalactites. They are holding very tight from the ceiling. And this is exactly what will also walk into the copal incense. This is how you would be baptized and you would enter into a cave.
That's what we use to survive on good. Oh, this one is sweet. This one is sour.
Copal incense. That's what it's called.
Yeah,
Okay, this one is sugar
That's the
cane.
sour one.
This one is sugar. This one is sweet.
Oh,
I mean, this one is sweet. This one is sour.
okay. Okay, here. Straight.
Okay, these are natural
Only the
remedies
diabetics want those.
for
here.
blood pressure. Polychromes. These are known as polychromes, okay, because they have paintings in it. But also you can see some images, broken bodies, okay? So you can see that indeed, the Mayas had so many things they left.